The purpose of the noise gate is to eliminate the low-level parts of the audio. The main controls are threshold, attack, hold, and release. The threshold marks the level below which the gate will activate. The attack determines the time for which the gate will be fully activated, removing all audio below the threshold. Hold determines the time during which the gate will remain active, and release determines the time for which the gate will deactivate and no longer process the audio, until the levels fall under the threshold again. When using a noise gate, all parameters must be set precisely. While other plugins aim to enhance the audio, that's not the case here. If used correctly, the noise gate would not be noticeable at all. When the attack and release are not set correctly, parts of the audio that should be removed might still be audible, effectively creating noise in the mix. When setting these parameters, you should consider the dynamic characteristics of the particular instrument you're working on. When the threshold is not set properly, the gate might cut off parts of the useful signal. When using a noise gate, it's recommended to place it first in the effect chain, except in the cases where you want to use it as a special effect. For example, when gating a reverb. Let's check out an example where the noise gate is properly set.